Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are fine and good at home. My dear students, today also we are here with some new topics of multiplication only because yet we have not completed the multiplication completely. So now today also we are going to discuss some terms, some points and some things related to multiplication only. So let's begin. Today also students we are going to discuss multiplication of 3-digit number or 4-digit number by 3-digit number. Okay dear, so just see. So just see dear, this is our topic for today. This topic we have already discussed in the last class, in the last video, and again we are going to discuss the same topic today. Okay, so let's start my dear. Some more examples. So let's begin, my dear. As you can see, we are going to start this topic. Okay, multiplication. We will start this. Okay, so let's see, my dear, what it is given in this exercise, or what we have to do. Just see, everyone. Here it is, 3-digit number. We are multiplying with 3-digit number. We will start from the ones place. We will start from the ones place. So ones place, which number is written? 7. With 7 we will multiply all the 3 digits. With 7 we will multiply all the 3 digits, means 4 3 6 4 6 3. What you will get as a product? 3 2 4 1. When you will multiply, then you will get this as a product. Now you will move to the next place. Now it is written 5. Then we will multiply with 5 all the digits. You can put, we will have to first put cross, okay, at the first place, and then when we will multiply, then we will get 2 3 1 5. Then we will get 2 3 1 5, my dear. After that we have moved to the next place, that is written 2. Then we have multiplied with 2 all the 3 digits. Then what you have got as answer? 926. But first two places we will put cross, or we can put 0. When we have got 3 products now, that all 3 products you can see I have added, and I have got the final product. Now one more example I am having with me. Here also we have to multiply all the numbers with the first digit, that is 8. Means 8 into 6, 8 into 4 and 8 into 3. Then the product which you will get, that is 2768. Now we will move to the next place and we will multiply with that. Again we will get 1730. Okay, the first place you will put cross or 0. Okay, the last place, that is 5 into all we will do again. So first two places we will put cross. What you will get? 5 into 3 46, 130, 1730. Now add all the products, add all the 3 products, you will get the final answer, that is 193068. When we have added, we have got this as answer. Okay, my dear. So students, from that two examples, I think you have learned how to do the multiplication. Now one more example I have taken, you can see. Okay, here it is mentioned also that which is the multiplier, which is the multiplicand. Like 434 is multiplicand, 278 is multiplier. And when we have multiplied, then we have got the product. So let's start and do this. Okay, let's see, my dear. It is written 8. 8 table you have to read 4 times. How many times you will read the table of 8? 4 times. Okay, so let's start. 8 1s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 8 4s are, sorry, 8 3s are 24. 8 4s are 32. Means 8 into 4 is 32. So 2 you will have to write down, whereas 3 we have to take carry. Now again we will read the table of 8. How many times? 3 times. How many times? 3 times. 8 1s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 3, 26, 27, 20. Sorry, 24, not 25, 26 and 27. So what you will write? 27. So 7 we will write down, 2 we will take carry. Now we will move to the next place, that is 8 into 4. So 8 into 4 again is 32. So 32 plus 2, 34. So the first place we have solved. The first place we have solved, and we have got the product as 3,472. Now the next place, my dear. The next place is 7 written. What written? 7. 7 into 4 we will do. Okay, but the first place we will put 0. You can see here we have put the 0, so that you have to put. Then after 7 table 4 times. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28. So 8, my dear, you will write down. 2 you will take carry. Now 7 table 3 times. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21. Then 21, 22, 23. So 3 we will write down and 2 we will write up. Now again 7 table 4 times. So 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28. Plus 2, 29, 30. How much? 30. So the second place also we have solved by multiplying. So 2 answers we have got. Yes, by multiplying with 8 we have got one product. By multiplying with 7 we have got one product. So 2 products we are having with us. Now the third product we also want now, because third number is also there. Let's multiply. 2 into 4. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 fours are 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, or you can do 4 twos are 8 also. So you will write 8 here, but the first 2 places you will put 0. You can see here I have put. Now after 8 we will multiply with 3. So 3 twos are is also 6, and 2 threes are is also 6, and no carry number was there, so 6 we will write. Now again 2 fours are. Okay, so that last time we have read the table of 2 4 times. This time we will read the table of 4 2 times. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, so 8 we will write. Now let's add all the 3 products. Add all the 3 products, my dear. Just see. 2 plus 0 is 2. Yes. 7 plus 8. How much? 15. You can do also 15. Then 5 we will write down. 1 we will write up. Now 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. 15 plus 1 is 16. So 16, 6 we will write down and 1 we will write up. Now again, next place. 3 plus 6 is 9. Plus 1 is 10. So 0 we will write down. 1 we will write up because we are having 10. So 0 we have written down. Now 8 plus 3 is 11. Okay, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 plus 1 is 12. So the total product which we have got after doing the complete multiplication, as we were having 3 products, when we have added all 3 products, we have got one total product, that is 120,652. This is the total product, my dear. Okay, just see the next one. Here also, my dear, you can see here it is special case of 0 in multiplier. Special case of 0. Special case of 0 means if 0 is there in the multiplier. When there is 0 in the multiplier, you can leave out one step. See the example. See the example. How it is done. Means 6 table we have to read first. Yes, because first it is written 6. So 6 table we will read, and we will read the table of 6 with all the numbers. Okay, so 6 table either you read 5 times or 5 table 6 times. In both the cases you will get 30 only. So 0 you will write down, 3 you will write up. Now next, 6 threes are or 3 sixes are. In both the cases you will get 18. 18 plus 3, 19, 20, 21. How much? 21. So 1 you will write down, 2 you will write up. Again 6 5s are again 30, plus 2 is 32. So the first place you have solved, my dear. You have solved. Now the second place you can see it is written 0. In the second place it is written 0. So with 0 also you have to multiply, my dear. It is not like that it is written 0 so we can skip. No, you cannot skip, my dear. If you will skip the 0, then the whole answer will become wrong. The whole answer will become wrong. So for that we will multiply with 0 also. So 0 into 5 is 0. But the first place we will put 0 first. Then we will start multiplying. 0 into 5 is 0. 0 into 3 is 0, and 0 into 5 again is 0. In all the places we will get 0 only. In all the places we will get 0 only. Now we are having the third number with us, isn't it? So let's multiply the third number. That is 5. So 5 table you have to read 5 times, but the first two places you have to put 0. Before writing the product, the first two places you have to put 0. After that we will start multiplying. After that we will start multiplying. You can see 5 table you have to read 5 times, or 5 table you have to read 5 times, because both the places 5 is only there. So 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25. So 5 you will write down and 2 you will write up. Okay, now again 5 table we have to read 3 times. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15. 15 plus 2 is 17. So 2 digit. So 7 you will write down, 1 you will write up. Now we will move to the next place. That is again 5 into 5. 5 fives are 25. So 25 plus 1 is 26. So 3 products you have got. 3 products. One product you have got by multiplying it with 6. One product you have got by multiplying it with 0. One product you have got by multiplying it with 5. So like this you have got 3 products. Like this you have got 3 products. So now what you have to do, you have to add all the 3 products. Let's add it. Now 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7. Now next place, 7 plus 3 is 10. So 0 you will write down, 1 you will take carry. Now 6 here you will write carry. 6 plus 1 is 7, because 1 was carry, and before 6 nothing is written. So 7, and then 2 plus nothing, then 2 only. So like this we have got the number. Like this we have got the number, the product. The total product which we have got is 270,710. This is the final product which we have got. 3 products we have got, but that 3 product is for one number, but now we have got the total product of all the 3 numbers. Okay, but student, one more thing is written here. What it is written? That if can be done as, if you will do like this, if you will do like this, then also you can see, my dear, you are getting the same answer. But what is the case? What is the difference between this one and this one? What is the difference? Difference is that here 2 zeros are put. Here 2 zeros are put. But what you all used to do? You used to put 1 0. Okay, that here you can see here 1 0 is put. So that is, it is wrong. Okay, because second place in this one we have left the second place. 0 place we have forgotten. But in this one we have mentioned that 0 also, because when we are multiplying with 0, the first place we are leaving, and when we are multiplying with 5, then we are leaving the 2 places. So here 2 zeros has been put. So like this. Okay, and when we have multiplied here and here, you are seeing the same answer, but this in this the third one, the answer is different. So this one will be wrong if you will do. Okay, so keep this in your mind, that you have to calculate 0 also, you have to multiply with 0 also. See student, in this one also you can see how it is being done. First, the first digit multiplied, the ones place. What it is written? 4. Means 4 we are multiplying with all the digits. Then we are getting 2500. Then we are moving to the next place. Now then we are multiplying with 1. So 1 into all the digits when we are doing, then we are getting the digit itself. But the first digit, before start writing the product, we have written in the first digit, that is 0. Okay, we have written in the first digit, that is 0. You can see here written. After that we have multiplied and we have got this as answer. Now we will move to the next number, the third number. So third number is 1. So with 1 we have to multiply all the 3 digits. Yes, so again we will put 2 zeros to the first place, then we will do the multiplication. Then if we will multiply with 1 all the 3 digits, then we will get the number itself, that is 625. Okay, like this we have done the calculation of all the three digits. Okay, we have multiplied the we have multiplied the multiplicand with the multiplier. Okay, means 625 by 114 we will get three products. When we are doing this, then we are getting three products. Now for getting the final product, we have to add all the three products. So when we have added all the three products, the final product which we have got, that is 71250. You can see it is written here 71250. So this is the final product which we have got. Okay, in the same way this also has been done. Okay, in the same way this one also has been done. Here also we are multiplying three digit number with by three digit number only. Okay, so here what is the number? 205 multiplied by 390. So 0 when we are multiplying with all the three numbers, because 0 is written at the first place. So when we are multiplying with 0, 205, then what you are getting? You are getting 0, 0 and 0, because any number when multiplied with 0, we get the answer as 0 only. Now next place. Before starting the next place, when we will start the multiplying the next place, the first thing which we have to do is to put the 0 at the first place. Now 9 into all the three we have to do. 9 into 5, 9 into 0, 9 into 2. Then when we have done this multiplication, when we have multiplied with 9, 205, then we have got the product as 1845. What we have got the product? 1845. So after getting 1845, my dear, we will move to the next place, that is the third place. Okay, that is the third place. Okay, so now my dear, you can see the third place we have to multiply, that is written 3. It is written 3. So with 3 we have to multiply all the three numbers. Okay, means 205 we have to multiply by 3 now. So again we will get one product. The product which we have got, before that we will put 2 zeros. Before that we will put 2 zeros. Okay, so that 2 zeros we will put, and after that when we have multiplied with 3, 205, then we have got 615. So the total answer which we have got after doing the multiplication is 79950. 79950. How you have got? By adding all the three products, the first product, second and the third. When we have added all three products, we have got the final product. That final product is 79950. Okay, my dear student. So this is how we used to multiply the numbers. Okay, this is how we used to multiply 2 digit, 3 digit, any number. Okay. So that is all, my dear. I hope you all have understood very nicely, and you will try to do it by your own self. Okay, you will try to do it by your own self, and any confusion, any problem you will face, please come with your query in the online classes. Thank you, everyone.